Hello, it's the Crap Goth. My name is Pixie and welcome to my channel of randomness where you never know what you're going to get. Today is an unboxing video, yay! And this is all things that you guys have sent in to me. And there is flipping loads. So let's see what we've got. Hi, okay, so hello, welcome back and welcome if you're new to the channel. Thank you for being here. Please hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, because I'm probably going to forget to say that later. Okay, so again, like I said, these are things that you guys have sent in, and literally there are so many boxes. I'm going to try and get through as many as I can in about 15 minutes. Wish me luck, 'cause I'm not very good at timekeeping. So yeah, huge thank you to everybody. You're an absolute legend. Okay, gonna jump straight in here. So this is a flipping huge box. I think some of these might be here from Christmas because I've been very poorly and not been able to do an unboxing. So yes, this is a very heavy box from, not sure, don't know if it's from Amazon because it hasn't got a smile on it, but it has gift bags in it, and that's the exciting, super exciting thing. Okay, flipping it. I've got to say, I literally have boxes here, boxes underneath me, and I've got the ring light, so I'm in this little like confined area and I can't move. Okay, so there it is. Oh my gosh, there's one present there. I love this. This is so exciting. This is my third video that I filmed consecutively, so I'm wearing the same thing. I'm not a dirty cow. Oh yeah, this is from Anne-Marie, by the way, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for sending this for Christmas for me. I love it. Okay, there is another present in here. Number 2. Also some notes, which will say who they're from. Oh my gosh. I've got some wool. Oh my god, this is so pretty. There's some pink wool. Oh my gosh. All right, let me just quickly chuck this over there. Bang. Okay, not sure who these are from yet, but it will be able to tell from the gift bags. So like I said, I've got 15 minutes to try and do as many as possible. How many parcels do you think I'm going to do? I've got about 10 to open. Right, okay, this is, oh, a little cow to crochet. Enjoy your gift. Look for chocolates too, from Danielle Kramer. Oh my god, Danielle is in America. Thank you so much, Danielle, known as Auntie Danielle, which is really cool, so thank you. Oh gosh, this is exciting. I love to crochet. I'm not very good at it. I'm still learning, but I like to do dolls' clothes. Never attempted anything human-sized yet, but I do like cool stuff. Oh my gosh, this is a crochet box, and she said it's a cow. I like Highland cows. They're cool. And this is, oh, it's this really nice stuff. I actually don't have this kind of it's almost like a t-shirt yarn, but very, very thin. Oh my gosh. Oh, it even comes with, what is that, size 3, size 4? It's a 3.5 in between. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous little crochet box. Stuttering then. Thank you so much. I am going to give this one a go. This is awesome. Thank you so much. And wool as well. So all this wool we now know is from Danielle Kramer. Oh my god, my favourite colour as well. Pink. Thank you, thank you. I have my wool store literally just here. Look, I've got wool here as well. Lots of different colours, which you guys have sent over as well. I love my wool. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I've got a crochet box. We have two big packs of wool, and there is another one here as well, and this says, this is, oh, it says enjoy your gift. I'm excited. This is after Christmas now, and it's like, oh my god, is this so cool. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh my actual god. These are my favourite chocolates in the world. Oh my god. It's huge. It's Ferrero Rocher. This is the biggest box of Ferrero Rocher I have ever owned or seen. Oh my god, thank you so much. KORI used to spend his pocket money on buying me the little packs. Oh my god, and now Cherry does that for me for Christmas from KORI. Oh, I'm going to share these with Ebony. Thank you so much. That is awesome. I don't know if Spanky likes these, but I know Ostara doesn't, so thank you. I'm going to message you when I finish filming. Oh, you are angel. Thank you so much. I'm trying to lose weight. I've seen how fat my ass is. Oh my god, that isn't going to help me, but thank you. I'm really appreciative. Thank you so much. Right, oh my god, okay. There is more down here. Oh wow, okay, is this the one from you as well? I forgot what I've just put down there. This is Oh yeah, no, that is from another video that I've just filmed, and that's for John's birthday, but it is from Danielle. Oh my god, thank you so much. That is awesome. I am plowing through this really quickly, but oh my god, I am so super excited. And after I've packed everything away, I'm going to sit and crochet. Thank you. Okay, the next one is this little packet here, and it's come to my home address. No clue who it's from. This is, what is it? I'm not quite sure what it is. Oh my gosh, this is a little baby romper. No, I'm not pregnant before anyone says it. I have been asked that actually. I'm just fat. No, it's I have reborn dolls, and I'm going to be doing a video on them. And this is from American Nana. She told me she sent something, but she wasn't able to attach notes. My little boy doll, he is very lifelike, and he is premature size. Oh my god, how cute is that? This says good things come in small packages. Oh, I will attach a photo of what my little reborn Malachi looks like. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Nana. I'm pretty certain this is from you. Oh my gosh, thank you. And I will message you when I finish filming. Gosh, it's really late at night. That's why I'm trying to get things done. Oh my god, I just love this. Thank you. You're incredible. Okay, there is another little teeny tiny package. And this is, again, it's come to Pixie, my home address. Oh, thank you for this. It's so exciting. It's like Christmas all over again. And this, oh my god, there are teeny tiny baby socks. These are going to fit Malachi perfectly. He has got the tiniest feet. Oh, they are so beautiful. Thank you. There are 2 pairs of little teeny tiny socks. I have never seen socks this small. Thank you. I have my another reborn doll called Lena, and she is natural like newborn size, but Malachi is a premature size. Oh, I'm going to go and put them on him as soon as I finish filming. Thank you, Nana. They are beautiful. They're so cute. Thank you. Okay, we have a bigger parcel here, and this has come to the Crap Goth, and it's come to the P.O. box, which is really exciting. No clue what's in it at all. And this is, it's a gift bag, and it has a little note attached to it, and this is, Pixie, hope you get your favourite from this blind box from Amy Kim. Amy, hi, and thank you so much. Oh my god, what is it? A blind box of what? I have lots of blind box collections, and I just love them so much. Oh my god, it's Sanrio one. This is Sweet Besties, and it's Kuromi, and that is My Melody. I brain farted then. Oh wow, I will make this into a TikTok and put it on here as a YouTube short, so you'll find out what I've got. Oh my gosh, Amy, thank you so much. That is absolutely adorable. I love it. Thank you. Super exciting. Trying to get through these nice and quick so I get everybody's parcels in this package. In this video even. I can't fucking speak today. What a dickhead. Okay. Me, not you, Amy, don't worry. Okay, this one here is a big one. That's what she said. And this has come to my home address. It is an Amazon parcel. No idea what it is. Right. Chuck that one out there. There we go. Right, okay, we've got some notes on this one. And this one says, Ebony and Pixie. Oh, Ebony's my oldest daughter. She's 21 and she doesn't live at home because she's away at uni. This says, Ebony and Pixie, I love the Jack Black lip balms any time of the year. I know I sent them in May in case you can use more. Love from Carrie Ann Ganley, New Jersey. Jack Black. Jack Black is in like the actor, or Black Jack is in the Sweeties. Not quite sure which one. And then, yep, space. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for these. Carrie Ann, you're an absolute legend. Carrie Ann is one of my friends. She's awesome. Ebony, Pixie, Spanky, Ostara, sending you some lip balms to protect from the cold, dry winter. Love from Carrie Ann. It is friggin' freezing over here right now in the UK, so thank you so much. Oh wow, Aquaphor. Never ever heard of those before, but that sounds amazing. Immediate relief for very dry lips. I do get very dry lips as well. Oh my gosh. Broad spectrum SPF 30. Thank you so much. And wow, 'tis Jack Black. Oh my god, the Balm Squad. That is awesome. Wow, limited edition. Thank you so much. I will be seeing Ebony hopefully in the next couple of weeks as well, so that is fantastic. Thank you, Carrie Ann. And then this one says KORI. Oh, that's my little boy. I hope you'll like these lovely red flowers for your garden, your resting place, or to share with mummy. Love from Carrie Ann Ganley, New Jersey. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so if you're new to this channel, I lost my little boy KORI, aged 11, a couple of years ago, and people do send some lovely things for his resting place and also for his memorial garden here. So oh my gosh, thank you so much. Right, I've just lost my scissors then. Right, bear with me 2 secs. Oh, this is so nice of you to think about this. Thank you, Carrie Ann. Oh, look at those. Now, red is Kori's favourite colour, so this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at those. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much. And there's little buds. Now, these are too nice to go outside. They're going to get ruined. So what I'm going to do, if it's okay with you, Carrie-Anne, is I'm going to put some here in the studio in a little vase, and I'm going to come put the others into Kori's bedroom. Yeah, these are his favourite colours. Oh my God, they are so beautiful. Just look at those. Oh, thank you ever such a lot. They are gorgeous. I'll message you after I finish filming, Carrie-Anne. Thank you. Yeah, I think I'd get really upset if, you know, like if they got ruined in the weather or something. They're so nice. I'm definitely going to keep them nice. Right, there's another little box here, and this has come to my home address. It's addressed to me. Oh my goodness, we have some wool. Yay, thank you so much. Okay, this is a gift from Love Nana. Oh my God, Nana, American Nana's from Texas. Thank you so much. Look at this pile of notes here. This is insane, Nana. Oh my goodness. Right, a gift from Love Nana. I think they all say the same thing. They do, but yeah. Oh my God, Nana, that is so many notes. Flipping heck. Okay, oh, it's a crochet box. Look at this. Oh my God, it is a box full of crochet stuff. So they are stitch holders. That is incredible. All different sizes for all different projects. I really needed some of these. Oh my gosh, thank you, Nana. There is some wooden crochet hooks. Oh my God. Oh, these ones might be the dread ones. No, these are not crochet. I think these might be dread hooks, because I have dreadlocks, like little dreads. Look, my husband's got really big dreadlocks, like huge ones. Yeah, I think these might be like crochet dread hooks to kind of tighten up dreadlocks. That is awesome. Thank you so much. There is some stitch markers, so you know, if you're doing your stitch rounds on a project, these are amazing. These are like little breads and little like eggs on toast and kawaii things. Oh my God, really needed some of those as well. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you. And oh my gosh, these are travel crochet hooks. You can stick them on your keys and you can crochet anywhere. Oh my God, they are absolutely adorable and very essential if you don't want to be caught without your crochet hooks, which I sometimes forget to pack them. Although I do usually have one in my backpack. Just carry one around randomly with a ball of wool, just in case, because you never know. Okay, there are also some absolutely gorgeous pencils as well. I'm a bit of a self-confessed stationery whore, although I do share with Ostara. I do share my stationery with her. These are beautiful. I love the rainbow rubbers on the ends, or erasers, not rubbers. Rubbers are different over there, aren't they? There we go. Oh my God, thank you so much. And there's my hat there. There is some beautiful variegated yarn, which is lovely. These are colour changing, absolutely beautiful. Means you don't have to go swapping your colours when you're on a project. Love these for all of my dolls' clothes. And there is 2 of those. Yay! Thank you so much, Nana. Oh my God. And then I absolutely cannot get enough of these. These are fine liner pens. Love these when I'm doing drawing projects and stuff. I think they just make the end of the project look so pretty. Love them. And they're all different thicknesses as well. So Nana, thank you so much. And there's still one more thing in here. Oh no, there's 2. There's some more stitch holders, which is absolutely fantastic. Thank you. Oh, I love crochet. It's like wool porn and stuff. I love it. And then there's these, which I don't know what this is. So I'm going to put this box over there. You go over there. I'm going to pause the video because I've not got a lot of recording space left while I open this. This is awesome. Right, I've got into the box, yay! And this is, oh my God, this was on the Amazon wish list. I do recognise this one, I do. These are so freaking cool. I'd never seen them before and I spotted them. I'm like, oh, these are awesome. I'm not going to set them up right now, but basically these are yarn holders, and these are travel yarn holders even. So basically, I think you push those up through there and it basically sits. And you can get, can't freaking speak, shall I start again? There is little rings here, so you put these through the loops, and basically this goes through and you put your yarn on it, so it just sits. It's basically a yarn holder. Now they come with wrist straps, so you can put them on there, so you can have it over your wrist, and your ball of wool is hanging on the holder, and you can just kind of like go as you're traveling. Also, what you can do with these is you can get these clips as well. You can get, so they come with clips here, but you can get extra clips. You can put a clip through this one here, and you can attach these, you know, the holders, like the little handles inside your car. If you're a passenger, not a driver, obviously, you can attach this to your passenger handle in the inside of your car and have your ball of wool up here, so you can still crochet while you're traveling or on a train or whatever. These are fantastic. I saw them on an advert and I thought, oh my God, I need one of those. And it's a pack of 2. So thank you so much, Nana. These are brilliant and definitely going to be used, especially when I'm traveling around. So thank you so much. That is awesome. I'll message you when I've finished recording. Oh, that was an awesome haul. Thank you. Right, I've got a box here. I might have time for 2 boxes. What do you reckon? 1 or 2? So there is a big box here, and this has come to Pixie, to my home address. How much recording? So I've got 5 minutes recording time left. How many boxes can I do? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Thank you so much. Shut the front door. Fuck. Oh my God. This is... Oh my God. This says, Pixie, I sent Rainbow Brite to you back in August and the parcel was sent back. Hasn't been returned to me yet, so I want to make sure that you get her. Classic for your collection from Carrie Ann Ganley in New Jersey, United States of America. Carrie Ann, I love you. You have just sent me Tickled Pink from Rainbow Brite, which I didn't have and I had her for Christmas from you. Thank you. Look! I friggin' love Rainbow Brite. I have Rainbow Brite tattoos. I have Rainbow Brite figurines. I've got 1980s collection. Spanky has bought me some for my collection as well. And oh my God, it's the doll. She is beautiful. I love her so much. I even had a star on my cheek because she's got one. I love it. Oh my God, 40 years. Wow, I mean, I was born in 79, so I'm old. The ones I have are 1983 ones, and I don't have this one. Oh, Carrie Ann, I love her. She is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I am not going to have time to do any more boxes. So I am just going to like sit and cuddle this doll here and say a huge thank you to every single person who has made this video possible. Thank you for treating me and spoiling me. And oh my God, I am so freaking excited. I love you all so much. Thank you for everything. I did not expect it to go like this at all. I haven't filmed in a very long time and I've just done 3 videos back to back. And I am really excited, and that's a really high note to finish on. So thank you all. I love you all so much. Please do drop a comment down below. What was your favourite thing that I actually unboxed in this video? I can't choose one. I like absolutely everything, and literally my cheeks hurt from smiling. So thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sending things. Thank you for sending things in. It's so lovely. If you guys do want to ever contact me, send us a postcard, have something read out on air, have a birthday, mention anything, please do feel free to get in touch with me via the PO box, which is linked into every single video description that I ever put out. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you all so much. I love you. You're all fucking awesome. Right, and I'll see you all again soon. Mwah. Love you.